Hey, hello foodies. This is Poonam Bachao. Welcome back to Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen. Today's recipe is a refreshing and delightful summer treat, not just for kids but for adults as well. In the summer series, today we are going to make very refreshing fresh fruit popsicles that are super easy to make, very healthy as they are sugar free and they taste absolutely yum. These pretty looking popsicles are a great way to add the healthy goodness of fresh fruits into your little one's diet. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make these healthy fruit popsicles, I have taken watermelon, grapes, kiwi and mango. You may use any fruit that is easily available. Peel the mangoes using a vegetable peeler and chop them roughly. Try to use the ripe and sweet varieties of fruits as we are not going to add any sweetener. These no-cook fruit popsicles are super easy to make. You may involve your kids in making them for the added fun. To make this layered fruit popsicle, I have tried to use the vibrantly colored fruits that will naturally add colors to our popsicle as we are not going to add any food color to it. Next, we will peel the kiwis and chop them roughly. Next, using a sharp knife, separate the pink flesh of the watermelon fruit from its rind. Chop it roughly and keep aside. Our fruits are ready. Now we will proceed and make the first layer of our popsicle. For the green layer, I have used kiwi and grapes. Add the chopped kiwi and grapes to a blender and make a puree. Now add around 2 tablespoons of our kiwi grape puree to the popsicle mold. Now to make sure that our fruit layers do not mix up and we get a distinct layer, we will keep the popsicle mold in the freezer for around 1 hour for the first layer to set well. Meanwhile, we will process our second layer. Add the chopped mango pieces to a blender jar and make a puree of it. You may add little honey or sugar to this if the fruit is not sweet. Now add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of our mango puree to the popsicle mold. Our mango layer is thick enough so we can immediately add the third layer without freezing the molds. Add the chopped watermelon pieces to a blender jar and make a puree of it. If you have strawberries at hand, you may add that along with the watermelons to make our red layer. Now fill the popsicle molds with the watermelon juice. Lastly, cover the popsicle molds and allow them to set in the freezer for around 5 to 6 hours. To unmold the popsicles, dip them in a bowl with some warm water. Our tri-layered fruit popsicles are ready to serve. The popsicle look absolutely gorgeous and each bite of these fruity ice pops is a bliss. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section below. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I will be back with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right and keep watching Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen.